Are you considering a move to Natick, Massachusetts and curious about what is really happening in Natick's housing market this fall? Well, whether you are a buyer wondering if competition is slowing down or a seller looking for that perfect timing, I'm breaking down the latest numbers and trends you need to know that are straight from the data. Hi there, I'm Abby Valencia-Gooding with EXT Realty, and I've been in the business since 2008, so I've experienced the lowest of lows and the highs of shifting markets. This September, we are seeing some interesting shifts that matter not just for first-time buyers, but for sellers as well. Before we get started, please hit that like button and subscribe so I can keep you updated on the latest market trends. Let's start with the big one, prices. The median sale price in Natick is sitting between $867,500 and $1.2 million. That's about 120% higher than the national average. Natick is firmly in the luxury category. Year over year, prices are up anywhere from 1% to 15% depending on the type of home. And here's the kicker. Homes are selling for about 102.9% of their list price. Most homes are still going over asking if they are priced right from day one. Now, how fast are homes really moving? Well, on average, between 18 and 39 days on market. That means you've got a little more time than last year, but not much. Natick homes are getting an average of 4 offers each, and the market's competition score is 89 out of 100, which puts it in the very competitive range. But here's something new. While 61.9% of homes are selling above asking, about 23% are still needing a price drop before selling. That tells us that pricing strategy is everything right now. This is where buyers get some good news. Mortgage rates have finally started to cool. A 30-year fixed is averaging around 6.35%, and a 15-year fixed rate is at 5.5%. That may not sound low compared to pandemic levels, but here's what's important to keep in mind. We just saw the largest weekly drop in rates all year. And I'm sure by now you've heard what happened on September 17th, right? The Federal Reserve cut interest rates by 1/4 percentage rate, bringing the federal fund rate down to a target of 4 to 4.25. So what does this mean for you? Well, for buyers, this is good news. Even a small drop in interest rates significantly lowers monthly payments and boosts affordability. An $800,000 budget could now stretch to maybe $830,000 for the same monthly payment. Alternatively, if you're sticking to a budget of $800,000, a 1/4 percentage rate drop saves you roughly $170 a month, totaling over $60,000 across your 30-year loan. This makes it easier for first-time buyers and offers current homeowners refinancing opportunities. Now, for sellers, this means more buyers may come off the sidelines and re-enter the market, increasing competition and helping homes sell faster and closer to list price. Ultimately, the Fed's cut in interest rates is designed to stimulate the economy, and for real estate here in Natick, it can bring more opportunity. If you want to make a move to Natick, this could be your window of opportunity you've been waiting for. Let's talk for a minute about the luxury market. In Natick, we treat 1.2 million and over as the luxury threshold. That's where buyers scrutinize every detail. They look at lot size, privacy, architectural detail, updates. They look at schools and premium neighborhoods like South Natick. This is the band where we see both opportunity and caution. Opportunity for sellers with truly premium features, and caution on pricing because luxury buyers are taking meticulous notes and comparing homes line by line. Here's where we are right now for September 2025. As of right now, which is September 24th, there are currently 69 active listings. That includes condos, single families, multifamilies. Out of those 69, 25 are luxury homes priced over $1.2 million. We have a median list price of $1.1 million, and as of right now, the median sale price is right around $975,000. So luxury has fewer comparable homes on the market, so the pool is thinner because there's fewer comparables. Great properties still draw attention, but not every listing turns into a bidding war. Overall, Natick is very competitive. Again, we have a competition score of 88 to 89 out of 100, with the average sale price going at least 2% over asking. The luxury tier, sales tend to trail just a little bit, landing closer to list price. Now, as far as time on the market goes, the overall days on market is around 20 days. Luxury often runs a few weeks longer unless perfectly positioned. Like I said, that's where condition, location, and pricing is spot on. Overall, prices are up 15.5% year over year. In the luxury tier, appreciation is more selective and buyers are pickier. So if homes are overpriced, they usually end up with a price reduction. That said, properties that stand out still command strong premiums. In Natick, location can make a six-figure difference. Areas like South Natick and pockets of neighborhoods with estate-style lots, beautiful settings, or waterfront homes can sell for higher than otherwise similar homes. Now let's talk sale versus list price in luxury. When we look at the luxury side of Natick real estate, those $1.2 million homes and up, most of those public dashboards don't break the numbers out separately. What I can tell you is that overall, Natick homes sold for about 101.3% of asking in August of 2025. In the luxury tier, homes usually land a bit closer to list price, but standout properties are still pushing over asking. Based on current inventory and trends, a fair estimate for the luxury sale to list range is around 99% to 101%. In fact, just to prove my point, let me share these actual homes that sold last month. We have house number 1. This was a colonial success. This was a 3,400 square foot colonial with 4 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, a 2-car garage, and an updated chef's kitchen with high-end appliances. The home was listed for $1,298,000 back on July 9th, and in 5 days, it was off the market. It sold for $1,429,000 on August 25th. That's like $131,000 over asking. House number 2 was 4,100 square feet with 5 bedrooms, 5 baths, a 3-car garage that was heated with an outdoor pool and a spa. It was listed for $2.295 and in 2 days had an accepted offer. The sale price was $2,400,000. Yes, can you believe it? It went $105,000 over the asking price. This is why pricing it right from day one is so important. What does this mean for you? Well, for luxury sellers, price to the comparable, not the price you wish it will sell for. If you've got the premium trifecta going on, you know, the condition, location, and price, you can still win. If you're light on any of those, plan for a longer runway or a strategic price reduction. Luxury buyers, you finally have a choice. Compare hard, negotiate where the market allows, and be ready to pounce on a property because it can still move. Now, what does this all mean? Well, the luxury market is becoming more balanced, giving both buyers and sellers new opportunities with the right strategy. Let's talk for a minute just about the rental market. If you're not ready to buy and you're considering renting, well, renting isn't that much cheaper in Natick. Average rents range from $2,300 to $3,200 a month, which is about 40 to 58% higher than the national average. Even studios start around $2,350. So if buyers qualify, they can save and build equity. So next up is in the investment perspective. Over the past decade or so, home values in Natick have grown steadily, around 8% annually. Almost all homes are owner-occupied, 95% to be exact, and this shows strong stability. Also, since there is a limited land available for new development, experts project prices could climb as much as 15%. Natick has top-rated schools that are consistently ranking high in Massachusetts, making it a magnet for families willing to pay premium prices for educational excellence. Natick has direct commuter rail access to Boston, and major highways provide easy access to employment centers while maintaining suburban charm. Scarce developmental land and strict zoning preserve property values and neighborhood character, ensuring long-term appreciation. Premium shopping and dining destinations draw visitors region-wide, supporting local economy and property values. For sellers, this is a good time to sell. You've got strong buyer demand, multiple offers, and nearly 2/3 of homes are getting above list price. The key is smart pricing and professional marketing. Buyers are choosier now, and homes that miss the mark may sit or require a price cut. For buyers, this is the best window we've seen in years. You've got more inventory to choose from and lower mortgage rates, improving affordability. The challenge? Well, you still need to move fast on the right home because competition hasn't disappeared. So what's next? Well, the Natick market is transitioning from a hot seller's market into a more balanced one. Sellers still have pricing power, but buyers finally have choices and better financing. Heading into Q4 of 2025, expect this balance to continue unless interest rates fall even further, which could heat things back up all over again. So if you're a seller, price it right and market it well, and you'll still win big. If you're a buyer, your best shot at buying in Natick just got better. Are you ready to make a move? If you're planning to move to Natick, whether it's your first home or your forever home, you don't have to navigate this shifting market alone. I'd be honored to guide you through the process so you can see what these numbers mean for your specific situation. Reach out and book a call with me. I'd love to help you create a winning strategy. Oh, and don't forget, hit that like button and subscribe to my channel so I can bring you more market updates. Until next time, take care.